swear, it's like Pac-Man.
Jeremy.
That is the greatest thing I've ever seen. Oh, I don't know how you do that. Oh, that is impressive.
I know you.
Let's make him laugh again for the camera.
You can't do that shit on command. Apparently I can.
Get a burp, dude. Come on.
Oh, God. It kind of hurts my throat when it does it, though. It's like,
Do it anyway.
I imagine it would. Wow. That doesn't help, Jess.
Oh, God, my stomach hurts. Hold on. It's kind of like Norbert.
Sorry.
Oh, no.
That's impressive. He doesn't look so good right now. I'm giving Elsa's gut, Captain.
Oh, God.
Oh, dude. He's gonna throw up. It's all fun and games. It's
Shut up.
Oh my God.
great.
I just burped.
Pick a side already. Pick a team.
Oh my God, I'm gonna pee my pants. This is happening. Oh my God.
Oh my God. Okay. Okay.
Stop, okay? That was...
Oh my God.
That one looked like you were gonna throw up for a second. Oh my God, I need a diaper. I'm gonna pee.
You should not on your period. How did he do it? He's like a superhero, but I'm burping. That was cute. It looks like it had this one of his other ones had a baby. That was amazing. Sounds like your belch belched. You're gonna hurt yourself. You are, the way you're going.
Eventually the room will smell like vomit and we have to tell them to stop.
Oh, that's rough.
It's rough.
It's rough.
Jesus.
It sounds like he's vomiting now. It sounds like it's Saturday night.
Oh my God. Alright, are you ready to stop? Say bye, Dominic.
Grand finale.
Okay, say what? Wave. Bye.